Are you tired of your Vulcan Hart oven taking forever to preheat? Or worse, not heating at all? Welcome to PartsFe. In most cases, the heating element is to blame. We'll show you exactly how to replace it step by step and restore your oven's performance without spending money on costly service calls. The Vulcan Hart Heating Element is a high-performance 120 volts, 1 kilowatt electric element with 96-inch leads. Measuring 18.5 by 7 inches, it fits various Vulcan Hart ovens, delivering efficient, even heating for faster cooking and improved food quality. Over time, the heating element can wear out due to normal usage, especially in commercial kitchens where ovens run continuously. Grease and food buildup can also create hot spots that cause the element to burn out prematurely, while electrical surges or loose wiring may shorten its lifespan even further. Recognizing these issues early can prevent bigger breakdowns and keep your kitchen running smoothly. Before starting the replacement, remember that safety comes first. Make sure the oven is completely turned off, unplugged, or disconnected from the circuit breaker, and allow it to cool down fully before working inside. Once you're ready, open the oven door and remove the racks to create enough workspace. The heating element is located at the bottom of the oven cavity. Using a screwdriver, remove the screws holding the mounting brackets and gently pull the element forward until you can see the two wires connected behind it. Carefully disconnect these wires, making sure they don't slip back into the oven wall. Take your new Vulcan Hart heating element and connect it to the same wire terminals, then slide it back into position and tighten the screws securely. Ensure the element sits firmly in place. When everything is set, plug the oven back in or turn on the breaker and run a quick heating test. If everything's connected correctly, your oven should heat evenly and efficiently again. For trusted commercial oven replacement parts, visit PartsFe.com in the USA, UK, and Canada. Follow us on social media for expert appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching.